Everything you must know if you want to buy land. Welcome to episode 3 of the Frequently Asked Questions series. Today, we're talking about the whens of buying land. When is the right time to make that move? Timing is everything. Alright, let's start with your wallet. The best time to buy land is when your finances are in a good spot. That means your debts are under control. Maybe you've got a credit card or car payment, but it's not overwhelming. You don't need to be debt-free, just comfortable with what you owe. You will also need some savings for a down payment. Normally, land requires 15 to 35% down. So for a 50,000 plot, that's 7.5K to 17.5K. But don't worry, here's the cool part. Companies like discount lots make it crazy affordable with down payments as low as $197 or even just $1 on some properties. Plus, we don't do credit checks. So even if your credit score isn't perfect, you can still get started. Next, make sure the land price works for you. With discount lots, you're often looking at super affordable lots, and our monthly payments can be lower than $200. That's way easier to manage than a big bank loan. You will also need to budget for ongoing costs like taxes or insurance. For this information, you can scroll through all the discount lot properties and get information like the annual taxes of your property or the value of the documentation fee. Don't worry too much about timing the market perfectly. Land prices go up and down, but what matters is if the deal feels right for you. And with the current trade war situation, investing in land is more stable than ever. With discount lots, you get access to exclusive off-market properties at wholesale prices, so you're already getting a great value. Now let's get to the fun part. What's your dream with your land? Are you dreaming of a cozy house in the country, a spot to park an RV for weekend getaways? Or maybe you're thinking of investment, hoping to sell it later for profit? Whatever your vibe, make sure it matches where you are at in life. For example, if you're building soon, you'll need extra cash for construction. So maybe save a bit more. If it's a getaway or investment, our low down payments and affordable property prices make it easy to jump in now. Our no credit check policy also means you don't have to wait to qualify either. Just know your goal so you pick the perfect spot. Last thing, think about your life right now. Have you got a steady job? No big expenses like a wedding or moving coming up? If things feel stable, you're in a great spot to buy. But if life's a bit chaotic, maybe you're changing jobs or expecting a kid, wait a few months. We're always offering the best spots off market across the USA. This means you can always come back when the timing's better. So, to sum it up, when is the right time to buy land? It is when your debt's manageable, you've got some savings, the price works for you, and life is stable. And with discount lots, it's easier than ever, with low down payments, no credit checks, and affordable monthly plans. If you think your time is fleeting, go check out discountlots.com to find your perfect lot today. If you love this, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the bell for more land buying tips. Got a question? Drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.